Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I've only ever done a couple of videos on Corel Paint because I just don't use it, but I found this little trick today. So while you're in Corel, if you go to Launch and go to Corel Paint, which is in your underneath Corel, and then open it up and cut and paste that picture in. Then we're going to go to Image and Smart Carver. It's going to ask you this question and it's going to do it. Then I'm going to make it bigger and I'm going to zoom in and I'm going to get my pen and bring this down a little bit and actually zoom in a little bit more. I'm going to get rid of this young man in this tree. So right here is remove areas that you want to paint. Now my nib is set on little right now, so I'm going to go ahead and do the fine tuning around this other boy's pants. And then I can change my nib size to like 50. And now I've got quite a bit bigger nib, and I want to paint everything that's in the picture that I don't want. That tree, I want to make sure I get every branch, every leaf. I don't leave any little holes. Then we're going to go around the outside of this young man and go up, get his leg, maybe you can get the shadow, get his hand, go on the outside, and then get all the inside parts. This is pretty cool. I don't ever do work like this, but I can see how this could help. Then right here, you've got correct it vertically or horizontally. And look at this. It took that boy out. Now, I shouldn't have done the shadow because it took away the shadow, but who's going to really know? And then all you'd have to do is save it as a, go right up here and save it. Now I'm going to open Corel back up. And there's the two pictures side by side. I guess I did the same thing on the first one too, but you can't really tell. But the tree's gone. All it did was squish these two people together. So it made the picture a little squattier. That's pretty cool. I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.